One night, the animals had a crazy idea. What does the moon taste like? Huh? Sweet or salty? Let's try it. Little Turtle climbed a high mountain. He reached up. Too far. Little Elephant, help me. Little Elephant stood on Turtle's back. He reached up. Still too far. Giraffe came. Still too far. Then, Little Mouse came. The moon looked down and laughed. That little mouse? No way. Snap! Little Mouse took a bite. He shared it with everyone. Yum! The moon tastes so good. But down in the water, little fish looked up. Huh? Why try so hard? The moon is right here. So, what does the moon taste like? Like and follow.